Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best senior dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet Adult 7 plus Longevity. This is the best priced dry dog food for your aging furry friend. With a clinically proven blend of antioxidants of vitamins C plus T, healthy immune system support is sure to keep your pup on the up and up as they age. When people ask what the best senior dog food is for their beloved pup, this is surely one to have on your list. If your dog is 7 years old or older, this is surely a great choice for the best food for your senior dogs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Halo Holistic Chicken Recipe Senior Dog Food. For a quality canned food that gives your dog all the nutrients they need, as well as lots of moisture to keep them hydrated, this choice from Halo's Holistic line is an excellent choice. The recipe starts with real chicken as its first ingredient, enriched with chicken broth and chicken liver. It is then enriched with a comprehensive vitamin pack, which contains lots of great additions for older pups. These additions include glucosamine for healthy joints, L-carnitine for energy and a faster metabolism, and salmon oil to manage inflammation. This is a brand that inspired confidence with its wholesome approach to food. All of their dishes are made in the USA with no grain, meat meals, hormones, or antibiotics. This food will keep your four-legged friend very happy well into their twilight years. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Senior Chicken Dinner. If your dog is not a fan of dry dog food for one reason or the other, take a look at the top-rated canned senior dog food, such as Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe. This chicken and vegetable canned dog food are sure to provide your aging friend with great alternatives to raw diets that are hard to attain due to the need for additional supplementation in order for your dog to receive complete nutrition. This is considered one of the best canned dog food options for senior dogs and can be used as either sole nutrition or a topper on dry food. The carbohydrates included in this canned food's ingredient list are sure to keep your dog's energy up all day long. 4.8 stars surely show that pups everywhere are happy with this delicious dog food. At number 2, we have the Wellness Complete Health Senior. This USA-made product is sure to give your senior dog the best nutrition in the latter years of their life. Ingredients include deboned chicken and added glucosamine and chondroitin for the promotion of healthy hips and joints. No wheat, corn, soy, meat byproducts, artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, which means your dog is sure to have easy-to-digest food that will sit on your furry friend's tummy nicely. This moderately priced dog food will leave your wallets feeling fine, but this is the lowest rated food out of the 5. Customers reported that the transition can be difficult for some of the senior pups, but for the most part, the dogs love it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Annamaet Grain-Free Rejuvenate. As your dog gets older, it is very important that you provide them with high levels of protein in their diet. That is exactly what Rejuvenate Senior Dog Food does for your aging best friend. Contains wild-caught silver carp and is specifically formulated for older dogs. This senior dog food is a great option for older dogs with food sensitivities. While this dog food is a bit on the pricey side, the 4.1 out of 5-star rating proves that customers, humans and puppies, are pleased with this product, including taste and effects on their aging dog. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.